Upload FF is a virtual lab of experimental ideas around technology, working through a Facebook fan page. People were invited to send along ideas that could become a real project if doable. Our brief: create a low-budget activation that would make people know about Upload FF and also participate in the project. Insight: create a PR stunt that could boost the propagation and participation with the best target for the project, the Brazilian Geeks. Where? At Campus Party, the biggest technology event in Latin America, gathering over 4,000 scientists, programmers, web designers, and other tech lovers. A place where people interact, learn, teach, have fun, and even sleep for a week. And like any big event, there were problems. And where there are problems, there are people complaining. Idea: if we were asking people to surprise us with innovative ideas, why not surprise them with solutions to their problems? How it works: we monitored the official hashtag of the event at Twitter. Sometimes someone complained about things like food, temperature, noise, or sleepiness. We found the most relevant complaints and got them a gift that would solve their problem. Then we looked for them at the event to give them the present up to 15 minutes after the tweet. There was a message with a gift inviting people to know more about the project at Facebook. And when they spontaneously shared the news, more people got impacted by the campaign. Result: we delivered 30 gifts over 3 hours, with more than 100,000 people impacted during the period through social media. Lots of spontaneous tweets, pictures, and posts. 320,000 people impacted after the activation, and good participation in the project. 50 ideas posted in the very first week, and 1 idea per day over the following 2 months.